What looks wrong to you in this picture? This Bowden cable latch. And here's why. Christopher Lebert in Norway noticed a trend after changing over 50 door handles. Magna and Fisker had ignored a production error in many Ocean door handles, primarily the driver's side doors. When you pull the interior door handle, this pulls the cable that opens the door. This one was cut correctly. This one was not cut correctly, causing the cable to fray and eventually break. Christopher's solution: use a Dremel to carefully cut as shown. Remove the Bowden cable before starting. Mark the line to allow the cable to extend. Carefully cut with a Dremel. And that's it. With this one simple fix, your door handles will last a lot longer.